A simple way to ensure your tires deliver the best fuel economy and handling is to perform regular tire pressure checks. Today, Lucas, a Kia service technician, is going to show us how. The great thing about performing these checks is that it only takes a few minutes and an inexpensive pressure gauge tool. The first step is to find the recommended tire pressure for your vehicle, which is usually located on a sticker in your vehicle's door jamb with the letters PSI listed after it. Next, you'll want to remove the valve cap and press the tire gauge onto the valve stem. With a stick gauge, like shown in the video, a white plastic stick will pop out from the bottom, stopping at the PSI the tire is currently at. If your tire pressure is reading higher than the recommended amount listed on your vehicle's door jamb, simply press the gauge against the valve stem and press it to the side until you hear the air releasing from the tire. Retest to ensure you have reached the proper PSI and replace the valve cap before repeating on each tire. If the tire pressure is reading less than the recommended amount, you will need to visit your nearest gas station, dealership, or invest in a tire pump to refill the tire.